2013 Bowman Chrome baseball for Justin. These are $205 a box. The only thing I have is I did get one more case of Clearly Authentic Baseball. It is a little bit more expensive. It's like 70 a box. And I got Leaf Flash Football. Tomorrow is Tops 2 Baseball and Legacy Football. Hey Derek, by the way, we have been so busy that my lovely wife Sonia has joined us close to full-time in store.
Close?
Starting out, she's more than full-time.
Hey Derek.
Derek is a long-time customer in New York.
Wow. Hello from Tennessee.
Do that one last. Good luck, Justin. She left the world of academia to come help with sports cards. Deivi, Grullon. There's your Jeter.
By the way, anything that could be entered into PSA, I'm just going to make in this box.
Okay.
And I'm just going to leave it right there because that way I can just, you know.
Yeah.
And then if I'm not here, it's pretty clear.
It's there.
Yeah.
Now, will it be separated by whether it's modern or ultra-modern?
Not yet.
Okay, so I can just...
Altuve Blue out of 250.
17 and sooner and 17 and lower. If I can...
I can separate. It's just, the thing is, like,
It's okay.
whatever card comes next is the next card I look at.
Right,
So.
right. Well, no, I didn't know if we had two boxes, if that would...
Come on, how about a Trout for Justin here? Fernando Rodney.
Yeah, I can do two boxes.
I don't know. That's just a thought. It may not be a good thought either.
Oh, this could be good. Orange, Chrome, Yankee logo.
Oh-ho.
Jeter.
Miguel Andujar. There you go. Non-autoed, but still.
Nice.
22 of 25. Congratulations, man. Well centered too. I don't see any surface imperfections. Maybe a tiny edge.
You gotta upload these breaks. You gotta be the only dude that's trusting this stuff.
That's not on the card, by the way. That's not on the soft. Yeah, it's on the top of the soft sleeve. Lindor. Very nice, Justin.